Welcome to the game Feeding the Farm Animals. In this game, you will play with your child to set up a farmyard play space on a table, in your living room, on the floor, wherever you feel comfortable. The purpose of the game is for you and your child to take turns or have your child feed the animals on the farm. The intention of the game is to work on the grammatical feature of sign language called verb agreement. In this particular instance, we're focusing on two verbs, the verb put and the verb give. In one of the first video clips, you'll see Sarah and Hannah setting up the play space where Sarah is signing to Hannah to put the elements of the farmyard in different areas in the play area. Later, when the game actually begins, Sarah is asking Hannah to give food to particular farm animals. Although this video is about 12 minutes long, the game may take you between 5 and 10 minutes to play. When you start playing the game, your child might be excited about the new game pieces that they're seeing and they might want to explore and play with them. Let them go ahead and do that before you start. As you play the game, I encourage you to use as much American Sign Language as possible and as little voice as possible. The DVD provides you with the signs that you will need to play this game. If some English words or spoken language intrude on the game, that's fine, but try to sign as much as possible. In this game, you'll find this instructional DVD along with written instructions, game pieces, and a few extension activities for you to play with your child. In this next section, Sarah demonstrates the signs related to the farm. In this next section, you'll see Sarah and Hannah playing the game. At the beginning, they are setting up the farm, so you'll see Sarah use the sign for put. She will ask Hannah, where do you want to put the barn? Where do you want to put the fence? Etc. And Hannah places the animals and the barn and fence in the play space. In this section, we see Sarah and Hannah playing the game. You'll see throughout that Sarah is very encouraging with Hannah. She nods her head, she smiles, and she really looks like she's having fun playing the game with Hannah. In this particular game, Sarah has asked Hannah to give the food to one animal. So the sign would look like this, because Hannah is giving the food to one animal. If Hannah were to give the food to two animals, the sign would look something like this. And if there were food that Sarah wanted to give to all of the animals, she could sign it like this. So that is how the verb give in American Sign Language is modified through its movement to demonstrate if I am giving something to someone, if I'm asking someone else to give something to another person or an animal in this case, or if I'm giving something to everybody in the room or every animal on the farm. That's how the verb is modified. Thank you very much for taking time to play this game. I hope you had fun, and I hope you had some learning and laughs along the way.